Today it's rainy, stormy, thundery, lightning, tornado-y.
Perfect timing for the thunder.
We are going to bake some cookies. We're going to make cherry chocolate chip cookies. I discovered these a few years ago, and ever since I have been religiously baking them every year. I really love them. They're so good. So if you like chocolate and you like cherries, then these are the cookies for you. And to make them a little Christmassy, we're going to add some Christmas sprinkles. You have to put it on when it's raw. The little one decorated hers over here. Which one? What are you gonna have? You want that one? Okay. Here's the taste tester. It didn't even hit your tongue and you were already Are they good? And they're always that much better when you bake them yourself, right?
I'll be the taste tester because I don't really like cherry chocolate, but we'll try it. One bite.
What? No.
They're good.
Don't even.
I just don't like cherry chocolate, but they're very
like a
cherry.
shortbread cookie. So of course they're like kind of on the drier side, but they're really good. Why am I turning the cookie sheet halfway through? Well, because our convection oven, it doesn't seem to cook evenly. I don't know if it's just ours or all of them, but like the back corner cooks quicker than all the rest. So if I don't turn the pan like halfway through, then we'll get like a burnt part in the back corner. We'll get burnt cookies. So once we moved in here, I had to learn how to use a convection oven. So that was fun. And we don't really use the regular oven at all because it's propane and the convection's electric, so it's just better cost-wise, and this basically works as an oven. I feel like maybe the temperature is a little off. It's not doesn't get as hot as a regular oven, but I mean, I just kind of work it. I can either, get set to a higher temperature, or I'll just add more time on, whatever the directions say. And then like you saw, I flipped everything halfway through so that way it would bake evenly. Okay, this is the last batch. These are the ones that the older one decorated. Let them cool. Last batch of cookies. Oh, who left that one? That was not me this time. And
that I broke the trial one.
And these are so good that I'm going to make a second batch next week.
What?
This batch is going to be just for us. And then next week when we see family, I'm going to make another batch.
And are you ever going to bake cookies that I like?
You have to learn to like the cookies that I bake. I don't think this is too weird. Cherry chocolate, and it's very festive looking. You gotta learn to like it. And what would be your ideal, what cookie do you want me to bake for you?
I would just like a regular chocolate chip, a snickerdoodle. I sent you like a list of like 30. I sent her a list of like 30. She said, we need to make Christmas cookies. So I went right to Google. I sent her like 30. None of them have been made, and I don't think any of them are on the to-do list.
You can't just Google cookie recipes and just start baking them. You have to already know of a recipe or a family recipe. That's what makes them so good.
So Ree Drummond, the pioneer woman, apparently she's part of our family because that is the only recipe. See that look I'm getting? Because she just copies her recipes and that's it.
That's fine.
Which they're good.
Because
so
I like her
it's
stuff.
okay.
This is not Ree's recipe though. A lot of our Thanksgiving dishes we used.
I saw her phone today and I saw Pioneer Woman at the top.
No, it wasn't.
I saw Pioneer Woman, I'm telling you.
Don't believe him. Believe me. And chocolate chip cookies, I can bake any time of the year.
Yes, that's fine.
That has nothing to do with
need-
Christmas.
Yes, I agree with that.
So
I
I'm
don't
not
need
baking chocolate chip
then, that's
cookies
fine.
during Christmas time.
But there were some other ones that I sent you that were Christmas related that I think would be good.
Maybe next year.
Yeah, there's always next year.
Mommy.
So comment down below what your favorite Christmas cookie is. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching as we baked Christmas cookies today. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. I'll finish off with the Christmas cookies.